Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be drawing the normal and tangent to the involute. We'll be using the join command to make the involute into one entity, and we'll be starting the video now. At CAD with Mr. Hew, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We're going to construct a normal to this involute at a point P. To indicate the point P, I'm going to draw a construction line here. Enter. It's not needed, but I'm going to put it there for you so we can actually know where it is. This point, we're going to turn off object snap. We're going to select right here. 4 millimeter. Rotational angle is 0. This point would be P. All right, what we're going to do now, the normal will be drawn from B to the point P. So we're going to go line from, going to turn on object snap from B to P, the intersection. Enter. So this is a normal. What I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a random line above P, away from P, so I can extend the line, the normal. All right, so we type the shortcut EX for extend, and when we click on it, there's a line extended. And then now I'm gonna click this line and delete it. All right, it's not part of the construction. All right, so I'm gonna label it single line text. I'm gonna turn off object snap. This point, just select a point there. The height will be 4, the rotational angle will be 45 degrees. Enter. We're gonna label normal. As easy as that, okay? The next thing we're going to do, we're going to construct a perpendicular at P to the line called the normal. So we're going to go center, start, end. From this intersection, we're going to turn on object snap. From this intersection, I'm going to draw an arc 20 millimeters. Okay? Where the arc intersect the normal, I'm going to mark 2 more arcs. So we're going to go center, start, end. We're going to go arc, center, start, end. Gonna mark an arc 20 millimeters. Gonna come again, center, start, end. 20 millimeters. Then we're gonna mark 2 more arcs. Center will be here. Let me shift it down a bit so you can see. The radius will be 20. Gonna come again, center, start, end. The center would be here. The radius will be 20. Press enter. Where the arc intersect, the 2 arcs intersect, that is a line that we're drawn to P, and that will be represent the tangent. All right, so let's do that. So we're gonna go line from the intersection to P. P is right here. Enter. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna extend the line towards this side. So we're gonna draw a random line. Enter, and then we're gonna type EX, so the shortcut for extend, and we're gonna click on it. There it is. Enter. We're going to select this line and delete it. It's not part of the construction. Likewise, I'm going to draw another line up here, a construction line. Enter, and then I'm going to extend it. So I'm going to type EX, so the shortcut for extend. There is a line. Good. Enter. All right, so I'm going to delete this line. So this line, I'm going to put this line and this line on the outline layer. Good. And now I'm going to label the tangent. So I'm going to go single line text. Gonna turn off object snap. I'm gonna label right here. The height, I'm gonna make the height 6, enter. Rotational angle would be 225, enter. Alright, so we're gonna type tangent. I'm gonna rotate it, alright? Alright, so we need to rotate it. So we'll click the word tangent, enter. We're gonna select here as a base point. I'm gonna rotate it like that. Put the normal, I'm gonna make it 6 millimeters instead of 4, so it is consistent with the tangent. So we're gonna select here, enter, 45-degree angle, and then we're gonna label normal. Alright, so good job if you got the drawing correct. And this actually label the involute right here, right? So we can, gonna turn on object snap. We're gonna click here. And we'll label this in. Gonna change the height to 4 millimeters. I'm not 4, sorry, 6. So we're gonna label this involute. Good. Alright, so good job if you got it correct. I'm gonna move the word tangent down there so that the involute the drawing looks balanced, right? So we click that, press enter. I'm gonna move this. So you're learning to use the move command, right? I'm gonna break the tangent. It is too tall. I'm gonna go break. So when I click on this line, enter, notice that it was one line. So when I click here, enter. When I come back now, I can delete this little line here. All right, good. So good, we're gonna save our drawing. So good job. We're gonna use the join command to join the involute, which comprises of three segments into one. So we're gonna go join. So we're gonna go to the modify ribbon, and we're gonna look for the join, which is this one. So we click on the lines that we want, or the curves, or the involute, parts of the involute, and then we press enter, right? So when we click on it now, see it's one entity now. Before it was three parts, now we have one. All right, so good job. We have come to the end of part 2 of the videos covering the topic, the construction of an involute to a triangle. In today's video, we drew the normal and tangent to the involute. In the next video, we'll be drawing a circle to satisfy definite conditions. So see you in that video. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.